today's topic is really what ideas to be focusing on while trying to build your business or startup. I've built Europe's first on-demand fuel business through Techstars and been involved in another of other startups and early stage businesses. So I feel like I have a good background in being able to discuss how I think about business ventures, what sectors to be in. Now, we've covered why a team is very important in early stage business, and it's something that a lot of VCs or any investor will look at is the core team, the background of the team. Do you have experience in the actual thing you're building in order to make a decision on whether they're going to invest? Any advisor will also look at the team itself and the background of the team. Do they have the necessary skills to actually, if we do give them investment, to then scale the business? In terms of going ahead and thinking about, what I should be thinking about, what topics or sectors I should be building in, that's a very personal choice. I think a lot of people are very good at certain things and enjoy working in certain sectors. And I think every business should really be related to the personality of the founder in which they're trying to build. So someone who enjoys, let's say, marketing, should really do kind of a startup or a business in relation to the marketing topics. I think investors will see your passion in the project you're trying to build. For example, the creator economy, which is a huge topic right now. Creators are getting paid vast amounts of capital, and so there's all kind of startups that have started to pop up around the creator economy. That's something which is really interesting to focus on as well. But if you're passionate about the creator economy, then maybe it's good to build something around there. Just like our example of Stando Online, which is a link which every creator can use to actually sell for example, their online courses or various other things. Very simple link which you can embed to every YouTube video that you get out. Very interesting, made by a creator, and of course, that's what the venture capitalists saw. Made by a creator for creators, and that's why they invested. So thinking about what sector to invest in and what you really want to build around is something, as I said, that you're passionate about, something that you like, something that you enjoy, something that's also trending. Don't forget, let's say mobility startup might not be as hot right now as an AI startup. So you might get a bit more of a chance of investment from a tier one VC if you're building an AI startup rather than a mobility startup. Unless, for example, it's something around batteries, which is a very hot topic in 2023. People having various problems with range anxiety, and so solving that problem for them could lead to building a very good company. I'd really focus not only on what I'm passionate about, but where is my network? Is it really based in mobility AI, or do I have particular knowledge in a certain sector? I'd really focus on that. For example, if I'm very technical and good with data, an AI startup might be worth focusing on rather than other startups. So that's really up to you guys. It's really up to you to really think very carefully about something that you're passionate about. But don't get me wrong in saying that it's not important to focus on what's trending and what's happening. And a good way to do that is look at, for example, Y Combinator, one of the best early stage venture capitalist investors, and what they invest in. I always like to do that to understand, their last batch, how many of their percentage of their startups were AI startups, how many were mobility SaaS, et cetera, and then I can get an idea of what's hot and what's trending. And they're usually a good predictor of the future as well. So if you get an idea of what they've invested in, then it will be a useful factor to showing you what will be happening in the future. This is something that VC, for example, wouldn't tell you, wouldn't give you an advice on, wouldn't really talk about, and it's something which we're here for, which is really to help you to stop making mistakes that founders do before they go ahead and pitch to VCs, and having spent a year building the product and not actually getting any customers or any user acquisition on the product. So it's something that you guys should focus on. Don't be afraid. Building a business is very tough, of course, as we already talked about many times. It's very difficult, but you really want to build something where revenue is coming through the door every single month. So recurring revenue model is so paramount, especially 2023 and beyond. But something which you can lock your clients or customers in. You continue to grow that, and of course, organic growth and word of mouth is so essential in growing a business. So get out there. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like this video, and we'll be definitely sharing more with you. Thanks.